Hello everyone, I am Rasmiraz and welcome to my channel. Today I discuss and plot the voltage transfer characteristics of the resistive load inverter. Before starting the LTA spice, first discuss the circuit diagram and working of the resistive load inverter. So, this is the circuit diagram of resistive load inverter. As the name suggests, resistive load. So, resistor work as a load and NMOS work as a driver and output collected from this point. So talk about the working. When the input voltage of the driver transistor is less than the threshold voltage, that is Vin is smaller than VTH, driver transistor is in cutoff region and does not conduct any current. So voltage drop across the resistor load is 0 and output voltage is equal to VDD. Now, when input voltage is increased further, driver transistor will start conducting and NMOS goes in saturation region. Increasing the input voltage further, driver transistor will enters into the linear region and output of the driver transistor will decreases. So, this is the working of the resistive load inverter. Now, the same circuit draw on LTA Spice. I presume that you have basic idea about the LTA Spice tool. First go on new schematic. This type of window is appear. Type NMOS. Take NMOS 4. I already discussed the difference between NMOS and NMOS 4 in my previous video. To remove this second NMOS element, use escape button. Select register and place it here. After that, two voltage collect from the LTA Spice library. Type voltage, select it, and one for VDD and one for input voltage. Connect all the elements by using wire. As you know that substrate and source of the NMOS is current connected to ground. Now provide the ground. Connect it. For better understanding, V1 is replaced with VDD. Here only change the name. V2 is Vin. Provide VDD as 5 volt and Vin is 10 volt. Register value keep it 6 volt, 6 kilo ohm. Suppose, and length of NMOS is 100 micrometer and width is 10 micrometer. Now run the code. So choose DC sweep for voltage input because we want to see curve by varying the input voltage. What is the response of output? So write it here V input linear type of switch. Start value 0, stop value is equal to the V input 10 volt, increment by 0.1. Okay. So this type of curve is shown on the output window, but this is not the so much correct graph. Circuit is correct, but as we know that MOSFET conduct variety of capacitors and other parameter, so must include all the things. Two ways to include all the things. First, copy from the internet and paste it, and otherwise go to the .op, choose spice directives and write the code. I already write the code, so simply copy it from here and paste here. Run the schematic. Put red pen here to see the output. So as you note that in voltage transfer characteristics, four different type of voltage is present. One is VOH, that is this 5 volt. Another is VOL, that is this point almost 144.63133 millivolt, and one is VOL. VOL is the point where output voltage start to decrease, that is 4, that is 993.48534 millivolt, and V and the VIL is this point where this point, that is 240.3979 millivolt. So this is all about the resistive load inverter. If you any doubt regarding this video, then please put your doubt on the comment box. I try to resolve as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel.